What if I told you one man built over $100 billion, not by trading every day, but by doing almost nothing? This is the strategy of Warren Buffett, the greatest investor of all time. And today, I'll break down how you can use his approach to invest in US stocks, even as a beginner. Warren Buffett is the CEO of Berkshire Hathaway. He started investing at age 11 and turned simple ideas into massive wealth. But here's the twist. His strategy is not complicated. No fancy indicators, no day trading, just patience, discipline, and smart choices. Buffett follows one golden rule: buy wonderful companies at a fair price and hold them forever. He doesn't chase trends, he buys businesses. That means when you buy a stock, think like you're buying the entire company. Would you hold it for 10 years? If the answer is no, Buffett wouldn't buy it either. Buffett looks for three key things in US stocks. First, strong brand power companies people trust and use daily. Second, consistent profits, not hype, but real earnings over time. Third, economic moat, a competitive advantage that's hard to copy. That's why he invests in companies like Apple, Coca-Cola, American Express. These aren't get-rich-quick stocks. They're stay-rich long-term stocks. Here's where most people fail. They want quick profits. Buffett, he waits years, even decades, because real wealth in the stock market comes from compounding. Small gains, repeated over time, turn into massive results. If you're just starting with US stocks, Buffett gives a simple recommendation: invest in index funds, especially the S&P 500. Why? Because instead of guessing winners, you own the entire market. Less stress, consistent growth, proven over decades. Buffett also warns against overtrading, following hype and trying to time the market. Because the truth is, the market rewards patience, not panic. So if you want to invest like Warren Buffett, keep it simple. Buy strong US companies, hold them long-term, and let compounding do the work. Because in investing, slow is actually fast. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more simple finance content. And remember, the best investment you can make is in your own knowledge.